Your presence and participation at this event affirms your commitment and support to re-engineering a more efficient and effective way for the enhancement of performance of the courts and the staff of the judiciary. Together with you all, our stakeholders, the judiciary of Uganda is today migrating from a closed analog appraisal system to a digitally efficient and participatory appraisal system. The ICT shift is premised on the progressive approach the judiciary has pursued over the years in a bid to enhance access to justice for our people. In the recent years, following the enactment of the Administration of Judiciary Act 2020, the judiciary adopted the transformation agenda, a robust guide towards a radical shift. This brings up the point, and when we do appraisal, we really have to ask this question always and find an answer every time. I have had this experience even before I became an administrator in our courts of judicature. The trend, the drift, seemed to emphasize statistics. The question then is, are we a court of statistics or a court of justice? When early this year in January, I was invited to the Republic of Zambia to be the keynote speaker on the new law year. For them, they have a new law year to launch the criminal session only. So unlike ours. I spoke about ADR, which I've been asked to speak about ADR and plea bargain in the criminal justice system. Then I was privileged to visit the President of the Republic, who became so keen on ADR. So when later in the year, he presented the State of the Nation address, more than a quarter of his speech was on ADR, embracing ADR. And then when we visited the President of the Republic, she told us that for her, she's been using ADR. She is a cattle keeper and keeps her cattle in the traditional system, not these ranches where we fence huge tracts of land. And when there was dispute, she went to the courts before the chiefs. She appeared there and the matter was resolved. I wish to applaud Danida, the SAMI, and the government of Uganda for facilitating the development of this remarkable tool. In a special way, I thank His Excellency the President of Uganda for supporting the judiciary initiatives geared towards better service delivery for our people. I thank you all. May God bless.